Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set up dynamic DNS, DDNS, in your router. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Most home internet connections use dynamic IP addresses, which means your public IP can change frequently, sometimes daily. This makes it difficult to remotely access your home network, server, or devices using a consistent address. That's where DDNS comes in. DDNS links your changing IP address to a fixed hostname, like myhome.ddns.net, so you can always connect to your network, even if your IP changes. It's especially useful for remote access to home servers or NAS devices, viewing security cameras while away, hosting a website or game server from home, remote desktop or SSH access to your PC. Here's how to configure DDNS. Choose a DDNS provider. Popular options include NoIP, DYN-DNS, and DuckDNS. In this guide, we'll use NoIP. Sign up for an account and create a host name, for example, myhome.ddns.net. Access your router settings. Open a web browser and enter your router's default gateway IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials. If unsure, refer to your router's manual or online documentation. Locate DDNS settings. Navigate to the Dynamic DNS, DDNS section, typically under Advanced Settings, Application, or Network. If unsure, refer to your router's manual or online documentation. Configure DDNS. Select your DDNS provider from the list, or enter custom settings if required. Enter your DDNS account credentials, username, password, and host name. Save and apply the changes. Test the configuration. Visit your DDNS provider's website to confirm your IP is updating correctly. Try accessing your network remotely using the hostname. NoIP setup scenarios. If your router supports NoIP DDNS, you can configure DDNS directly in your router settings. The router automatically updates your IP with NoIP whenever it changes. No need to install the Dynamic Update Client, DUC, on your computer. If your router does not support NoIP, you'll need to install the Dynamic Update Client, DUC, on a device, Windows, Linux, Mac, that's always running. The DUC monitors your public IP and updates NoIP when it changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.